Hi, I was doing this the task related to bone or skeletal crates, and these nice bones are now 3D instead of the, let me show you, instead of the previous material that was a texture, a simple texture with transparency. Now the bone crate will be its own prefab, but I realized that I must change the crate class. I should remove all this and the set type function, because I need this is redundant now, because I will make each kind of crate its own prefab. I began earlier today with the bone crate. The bone crate is this one, which has a slight colored material. I don't know if I will use another color, but for now I think slightly yellow color for the bones is nice to have. And I need, let me see, the normal crate already has its own prefab, that is this one, and I need the sticky one. Let me duplicate and set up this one. Another thing that these crates will have or not have is the particle effects of the radioactivity. It will be only a property of the let me see, sticky. Sticky. I wonder if this code will be shared by all. Let me think about that later. But this will extend the crate. We need to set this to sticky, and let's use the same crate mesh, but to change the material here we must mark it as editable children, because the change will overwrite the default material. Let's change it to glue. So if I save this one should have, yes, the normal material. Let me see if I'm missing something here. Okay, type sticky. Now we need the heavy one. That will be the same process. Let's duplicate and edit. The heavy one will have its own script. I add scripts to all of this because in the future perhaps these crates will have, let me see, in the future perhaps the special crate will have its their own code with effects and the like. Let me see, material override, heavy. Okay. And and we need the radioactive one that will have this function. So let's copy it again. Create, duplicate, radioactive. Let's see. Radioactive. Let's add. This is a bit great. We didn't change the type of the heavy one, I think. Let's see. Heavy. Great. Heavy. Sorry. My keyboard is a bit heavy, is of type heavy, radioactive, type radioactive. I wonder if I need to call let's search that later. Let's see. This task is what I'm doing now. So check how to ensure that the and we need the bones one. I already did this. I think bone is of type bones. Extends great. Okay, now the problem obviously is if we run this, it will throw an error here because the set type function is no longer. So let's do the match here with the character. Instead of doing this, let's map. Yeah, we need to have the crates variable, but we need to have different crates prefabs. So let's add the cases first. Case and let's see. All the cases are these ones. So we need normal, sticky, heavy, radioactive, and bones. So let's instead of the crate prefab here, we will have the normal prefab, the sticky prefab, the heavy prefab, the radioactive prefab, and the bones prefab. Let's see, in the level. This is not letting me. Let's comment this because if there are any errors, the editor doesn't let me. Okay, crate is the normal prefab, sticky is the sticky prefab, This is heavy. Let me see. We can do close bones. Okay, now we instantiate the corresponding prefab. Sticky prefab, heavy prefab, radioactive prefab, and bone prefab. Now, the problem here, let me see. This should work, but we are invalid assignment, null instance. Why is this null? Let me see the stack here. We miss something. A is null. Why is that? C is V. It's no. It's because we are using the name. Yeah. This is, well, let's use the same name. But you see, we have in all the previous, we use the name of the node that contains the mesh here in the code. So it failed in the bone one because it was not named create mesh. It's I will change that later. Let me note here. Move that, and this should work now. Let's see. This one. Let's see. This is in the radioactive one. In the radioactive, we need to add the radio sparks as a child of this one. And let's see. Explode. Explode false. Yeah, this function should be, sorry, let's stop the logger. Let's copy this function here and let's do nothing for the normal crates. Let's see. Wow, it worked. Let's see the bone ones. They are not looking very clear. Yeah, it's perhaps too much. Let's see. Let's change the color of the material. White is too. Yeah, one advantage we had with the bone material before was the outline, the black outline. I'm not sure. Yeah, the size of the, let me see. No, definitely we need to add a better, a more visible. Yeah, because when the level is bigger on screen, they look nice, but let's do the, it's too much. Yeah, they look nice, but I will add later. Wow, what was that? I will add later. Let me check in the a shader or other kind of outline for these boxes. But all in all, I think it's nice progress. Let me check if the radioactivity works. The radioactive ones have the same material, I think. Yeah. Create mesh, editable, material override, quick load, radio. Yeah, this one. Okay. Now they will be visible. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it works. The code works. Perfect. Okay, for now I will stop here, but I have several tasks to keep working on this. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have suggestions or questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and more importantly, share the videos with people that could learn something from them or enjoy my meandering way of development. Thanks.